Next, let's talk about clearing the screen. If you notice here, we're drawing these two squares onto here. If I update this, let's move it to 220. You see that it turned into like a rectangle. It kind of stretched. Do 240. Same thing. Now it's not actually stretching. What's happening is every time you redraw onto the canvas, what was previously on the canvas is still there. So when you're working with a game where objects are moving around on the screen, you want to make sure you clear what was previously there before. So all we want to do is we're just going to say ctx.clearRect. So that's going to clear everything on the screen, but you have to give it an area that you want to clear. So we're going to start at 0, 0, and we're going to do the whole screen, which was 800 wide by 600 tall. So now if something gets updated, 350, 360, this is actually going to move on the screen. You're not going to have what was previously there. So this is going to be a very important part of our game to make sure we clear it between every frame.